All right, so we're gonna move down at the base end of this here flagpole. We've got all our caps in on the end down there. We got all our wiring in. We got the grommets in, the cable clamp, the bolts, the brackets. We got everything down there on that end we need. So now we're gonna come down here on this end. We're gonna get us a couple more holes for. I'm gonna put a vent in it, and I'm gonna put a couple more holes for some grommets in it, and then we're gonna get down to welding this here base plate on here and try to keep it cool so it don't melt no wires in there. That one there went all the way through with one swipe because it was so tight there it didn't catch a gap. But if it ever catches a little gap in between there, you got to take it out, get that plug out of there. We just press a little something over that hole there so it don't rust behind where we're going to put that rubber washer. But we want it smooth. Let that dry a minute. So the flag is going to be flying on the opposite side. I'd love to flick this thing here on around to the back and put it in line with them gussets up there. So that's what we're going to do. We'll go ahead and flip this around. That looks like we could drill the same size hole and just weld that in there. Go down there and hold it so it don't flip off. All right, so we is going to need to weld that plate back on there one more time. See about where I want to put it at. We'll call it 2 foot. We'll put it at 2 foot. All right, so we'll come back here. Want that thing to be in there about like that. We can twist it. We try to get it straight, but we can always twist that a little bit. there that I could bolt it up. Probably. Or go down in the dirt a good ways, but either way, I mean, you can't make everything. Like, you can, but you can keep on going and going and going. Like, get out of hand. I mean, this is already looking for sophisticated flagpole already. Never seen a flagpole with that many wires in it. You ever seen a flagpole with that many wires in it? Well, you seen one now. It's even got a vent in it. Flagpole got Cat 6 wire, 12 volt, 212 volts, 120 vents, rollers, 30 lights. You may end up with more than that time it's all done. But for now, it's got 30. All right, so I had made a groove right here. I said that was going to be my bottom, and my plate was going to fit the tightest there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the flag part back up in the air.